Hello friends, we look at today's times as a very challenging era, and when we say it's a challenging era, it all talks about right from managing oneself to managing others. Talking about sex education in schools today and colleges, it's very important and imperative that schools and people who are associated with the schools, that is teachers, students and parents, they start a drive in terms of sex education. And when you talk about sex education, we are basically looking at the entire ideology of how does one respond to one's own social being, emotional being and spiritual being. With changing times and a lot of peer pressure among young people today, we have noticed that the positive development starts from raising a self-esteem in the individual. And this self-esteem for each one of us, including our young friends, starts from the journey of choosing alternatives which are going to benefit them for their entire lifespan. Each one of them perhaps have to make a joint venture with an adult to understand what is all about taking care of one's body and mind in terms of sex education and overall personality development. So, all the knowledge bank starts right from home down to school to information technology resources which are available, and they all contribute together in terms of healthy knowledge and development. A lot of young people come under pressure, and that is why it's very important to use two important life skills, that is critical thinking and the creative thinking aspect, along with coping of emotions and coping of stress, because that is one perhaps medium through life skills education that you can find a lot of difference in young people in choosing alternatives or making informed choices also in terms of sex education. The bottom line here is all about that if one respects oneself and respects others, talking about sex education, asking for information from the right place, not getting carried away with peer pressure, these all can be combated very, very effectively and safely through the medium of sex education, which starts right from recognizing one's individuality and self-esteem.